Do you know how to create this animation in Blender? Change the value of Y and Z, 0 to 90. Select Edge and press Ctrl+B for bevel. Select this face and press S for scale. Change to object mode and move in I direction. Add cylinder and scale it. Press Ctrl+R for more loop cut. Select both, right-click and apply Shade Smooth. Move your cursor on center of cylinder and set your origin on the cursor. Go to Empty Object and add Plane Axis. Press Ctrl+A and apply Scale. Change to Edit Mode and add Simple Deform modifier. Set Empty Object as an origin, click on Bend. Angle must be 90 on X-axis. Go to Edit Mode and apply Modifier. Delete Plane Axis. Now, we have to work on these location and scale values. Now, set the new values. One thing maybe you will notice when I change the values, you will not see any difference because the change I make it's very little. Now, go and grab this timeline in upward direction. Press Y. Now you see after pressing I, there is a yellow object. Now, take the timeline on 15 and press I again to fix that value on 15. Then on 16, you have to give another values which can change the location of cylinder and also change scale, and press A. Now move on 31 and press I. After pressing I move on 32 and change values. Then press I again, and move on 43 and press I.